going to take you around the campsite. The campsite itself is on 3 levels. This is the top level. On the left hand side is a stone wall, and beyond that is the railway line. Trains operate between Monday and Friday. At the weekends there aren't any trains to disturb the peace. To my right hand side is the second level, and we're going to go, it's quite a long campsite, so there's quite a lot of pictures. If you go straight on, it's a dead end, and we're going to turn right here and go down the hill towards the exit gate. As you can see, there's a barrier, so you need a fob to get out. Of course, I'm on my bike, so I can nip around it. On the right hand side are all the bins. I'm going to turn left here past this van. We have the reception on the left hand side. I'm cycling down the hill towards the exit gate, and at the end here, if you turn left you go up to the shops, and if you turn right you go down to the seafront.
Morning everyone, it's just me this morning.
Morning folks.
He's prepared for the midges.
Well, I can happily say that we have not encountered any midges. We have not needed these.
No, we bought 2 of those, didn't we?
Yeah.
Just in case, and they came in these little bags. They're only from Amazon, they weren't very expensive, but we bought 2 of them so you can put them back in it and carry them in your handbag or whatever.
Yeah, well,
and despite...
we were expecting midges in Scotland.
Yeah, despite smidge and skin so soft that is really good because it's got citronella in it. I did put some on one day, but we haven't even seen any, have we?
No.
I think probably because we've been most coastal, you know, Benderloch and that. It's the sea, isn't it, at Oban?
Oh, maybe it's just
the time of the
out
year.
of season for midges. I don't know.
And it was mostly dry, wasn't it? I mean, we didn't have a lot of rain and heat.
Yeah, it was wet and windy when it was raining.
So we've not had any midges, so that was absolutely great. And I mean, when we have been to Scotland before, we've never encountered any, have we, either?
That's true, and that was in June. So
we're in Northumberland now, so I mean...
in Berwick.
In Berwick, so I don't think we'll get any midges here, would we? And we're at the seaside.
No, not encountered any midges in Berwick either. No.
So we've had 2 nice days. And we've had a walk down to the sea and the beach yesterday. It was lovely. The first day we just chilled, didn't we, really? Because we were a bit tired, and Archie was a bit tired. But it's a nice little place, isn't it, to have a walk around. We didn't go into Berwick itself because...
too far to walk.
Yeah, it was quite a distance. Tony's been on your bike down to the lighthouse, didn't you? I
explored on the outskirts of Berwick. Yeah, it was quite nice. Yeah, Berwick Castle and the wall. So there's some picturesque areas in Berwick. Yeah. and I cycled right up to the lighthouse.
Bit of a problem with our Archie. For the last few days, he's had a bit of an upset stomach, which made us feel very nervous about taking him anywhere. I mean, normally, if we want to go in a pub, he goes with us.
Yeah, but we don't go.
We don't, just in case, you know, something happened in the pub, because it
got the runs.
Yes, it was bad. It was bad. He's still a little bit like it. We're not sure why. So I think, again, it's another trip to the vets, isn't it? I mean, it may be because he increased his insulin. We don't know. So we've had to be careful what we do. Every time we walk out, we're thinking, oh gosh, is it gonna, when he does something, is it going to be normal or not?
Yeah, but saying that, it was solid this morning.
I'm sorry for this conversation, everybody.
Hope you're not having your breakfast. or your tea.
Yeah. Anyway, so...
Oh, they won't be having their breakfast because it's going out in the evening, isn't it?
That's right. Yeah, you'll be all right. It's the evening. So, poor little soul, bless him. And he's here, look. He's had his breakfast, and he's had his insulin, and he's sleeping now. He's had a little walk round. Yeah, so we're sort of getting ready to go. We've not really done a lot this morning as yet.
Yeah, homeward bound.
Yeah, you've emptied the water, haven't you? The waste in the waste master, because the motorhome service point, although there is two, they're in funny places, aren't they?
Yeah.
When we come out, we've got to go up and round
and
then and down, and the motor service points are this way.
It's back up again.
So you'd have to go all the way round again. So Tony says, "Oh, I'm not doing that."
No.
So he's
just
been
using
emptying it.
Yeah, the waste master.
Yeah. The other thing was, we've heard that there was trains passing every 10 minutes, and we said, well, we haven't heard a train.
Well, we arrived Saturday, and
there was nothing, was there? And here we are.
You can just hear one now. Sunday there wasn't any. Monday morning, 6 o'clock, awoken by train traffic.
Yeah, that's right.
And that's been going on every 10 minutes.
And that made Archie...
He woke up.
Yeah, he woke up to that. He was a bit scared.
So that was our alarm clock, the trains. Yeah. So they only run Monday to Friday. That's all.
That's all we can think anyway. Yeah. But they're not. It's not bad. I think once you've got over that initial, oh gosh, what's that? You just sort of listen to it, and they come and they go, and that's it. It's not a big deal. No. It's a lovely site, isn't it? We've really, enjoyed being on here. Yeah. We've got a nice pitch. I say we look over at the sea. And it's a nice walk to the beach, isn't it?
Yeah, it's only a 10-minute walk.
Yeah, it's not far at all.
And there's a promenade. Which,
you can walk along. Yeah, there's a cafe, and you can sit outside, or you can go inside, can't you?
Yeah, you can go inside.
But we sat outside because of Archie's problem. But,
plus it was a nice...
Yeah, it was a lovely day yesterday, wasn't it? Nice and sunny. Yeah. And there was sailing boats on the water, wasn't they? By the harbour wall.
Yeah. Berwick Yacht Club. Yeah, it's located just around that area.
So that was nice to watch. Yeah. So we've done a bit of filming while we've been here. We've tried to chill out a bit more this holiday, haven't we? We've not done too much because of how Archie was, and trying to get back into things. So we apologise if we're a little bit rusty, because it's amazing how you get out of doing things. Well, I think because we've not been doing it for a few weeks, you forget.
Well, you forget, yeah.
Yeah, it was £21.40, wasn't it?
Was it?
Yeah, so...
you said £74.
Did I say 74? Sorry if I have. Hang on a minute, everybody. What did I tell you? Rusty. Oh, yeah, £74.60. Not, I made that up, didn't I? £74.60.
For 2 nights.
For 2 nights. So that's about £37. So
£37.20, yeah.
Yeah, so 30.
Hey?
£37.30. Half of 60.
No, you said 40 pence, didn't you?
No, 60, 74.
Oh, 60.
Yeah, 74.
Oh, right, yeah.
30
oh, you're right.
£37.30. Got the sea view, I suppose. And then Tony did use the facilities here, didn't you? Yeah. And he said they were fine, didn't you?
Yeah. You can adjust the shower temperature and pressure, so I'm happy.
And what would you give it then, a score?
I'd probably give it 8 out of 10. Yeah. There's plenty of toilets, plenty of showers. Yeah.
And it's very clean because I did pop in to film, so I shall put that up here.
So, yeah, not a problem there.
Yeah, and as I say, there's plenty of facilities around the site as well, isn't there?
Yeah, lots of
water taps,
water
and
waste points, all over the place. Yeah, you're not far from one.
No. So no, it's really nice. We've enjoyed it.
Mm.
Anyway, so we'll see you in our next video.
Yeah.
Well, we do know what it will be, but we won't tell you yet. Keep watching to find out what the next episode is.
The next adventure will be.
Yeah. So take care, everybody, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.
Bye for now.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back.